Hey everybody, this is Ray, and today we're taking a look at the Star Trek Kre-o Klingon Bird of Prey set. This is made by Hasbro, and this set retails for $24.99. As you can see in the upper left of the box, it features Light Tech, the same light up technology that is inside of the USS Enterprise Kre-o set that I made a video of last time. So this one is made for ages 7 to 14. And there are 236 pieces to the set, as well as 4 Kre-on figures included. Interestingly enough, this Kre-o set actually includes batteries. If you remember in my last video, the Starship Enterprise did not include any batteries whatsoever. This is what the back of the box looks like. You can see that it shows how the wings flip up and down. Another interesting thing is where this product is made. So it says components are made in the Republic of Korea and China. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, here are the sets. Here are the stickers. A few stickers here. And here is the instruction manual. Okay. As you can see over here, there are a number of steps for each little part, some up to 20-something steps. Okay, so without further ado, let's assemble this bad boy. So first things first, we're going to open these bags of pieces up, we're going to sort them out, and hopefully we'll be able to assemble this Klingon ship much faster than we did with the Starship Enterprise. Alright guys, so the 236 piece Klingon Bird of Prey Star Trek Kre-o ship is now complete. Took about 45 minutes to finish. Here's one extra piece, the Kre-o piece. Okay, we're going to put that aside. As you can see, all of my little Kre-on dudes are assembled. You got Captain Kirk here, you got Uhura, and you got your 2 Klingons. So, here's the ship. You can see the wings do fold up and down, and you can pull it down like this. So imagine the ship going like this. Or the ship going like this. Flying up. Alright. So the top opens up. See that lifts up. There's just enough room to fit a Kre-on guy, but the thing won't close, so you really can't fit him in there. I am also missing a few stickers. The sticker that is supposed to go up here is nowhere to be found in the box. If you look in here, see there's a little red button over there, okay? So if I press that, lower this, oops. If I press that, you can see the cockpit lights up. Okay, Let me move some of these Klingon guys. Let me move some of these Klingon guys away. And you can see I'm gonna press the button right here, and it lights up, which is pretty slick. So it lights up red. They're 2 cell batteries, so that's why they're included with the box, and they're not AAA or AA. So this is pretty cool. I like it a lot. Pretty sweet. And obviously, since you can't put on the guys inside a vehicle, you might have to put them on top of the vehicle. So here we have Captain Kirk at the top, a Klingon on the side, Uhura on the wing, and another Klingon trying to attack Uhura on the wing. So as you can go like this. He's gonna light up, and the ship's gonna come flying in. Spin, 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 spin. All right, and it's gonna fold its wings like so. Still nowhere near as cool as an X-Wing or an A-Wing, but gotta give props to Kre-o for creating some pretty interesting toys based on the Star Trek universe. Just so I can give you guys a little scale, here is the Starship Kre-o Enterprise and the Klingon Bird of Prey. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up. You can see this is how it compares. So, roughly half the size. Still really, really cool. Here's the ship. I'm gonna move this aside, and here's the ship. If you like this video, add it to your favorites and give it a thumbs up. Share it to Facebook and Twitter, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys next time. Pew, 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 pew. And may the Force be with you. Oh wait, that's Star Wars, isn't it? Oops.